What's up everyone, Vic here, and welcome back to the channel. Drone technology is evolving at breakneck speed. What was once a flying camera is now an intelligent, autonomous machine. We're witnessing a generational leap drones that can see, think, and collaborate, moving far beyond their original limitations. Applications are exploding, from emergency response to global logistics. In this video, we'll break down the 7 biggest breakthroughs set to redefine drones in 2025. Think AI brains, swarms, silent flight, and planet-saving missions. Let's dive in. First up, autonomous swarm drones, straight out of sci-fi. The old model was one pilot, one drone. Now imagine hundreds of drones working together, no human micromanagement required. Each drone knows its neighbors, shares data, and makes collective decisions in real time. A true, flying, hive mind. In disaster zones, a swarm can grid search vast areas, pinpoint survivors, and deliver aid faster than ever. If one drone finds something, the swarm adapts instantly, converging or shifting focus as needed. They build 3D maps on the fly, giving first responders unprecedented situational awareness. In logistics, swarms can manage busy delivery hubs, coordinate takeoffs and landings, and even team up to lift heavy loads. The tech behind this? Advanced algorithms, mesh networking, and sensor fusion. Each drone is both independent and part of the collective. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in how machines collaborate. Robust communication protocols and powerful onboard processors are making this a reality. Swarm tech is moving from lab demos to real-world applications, emergency response, logistics, and more. The future: fleets of drones acting as one, transforming industries. It's not just about more drones, it's about smarter, more capable teams. The era of the flying hive mind is here. Get ready for swarms that think, adapt, and deliver results. This is the true power of next-gen drone technology. Next, let's talk about AI-powered obstacle avoidance. Old drones just stopped when they hit something. Now, drones use deep learning and computer vision to truly understand their environment. Multiple cameras, LiDAR, and sensors feed data to onboard AI, which can identify and predict the behavior of objects, birds, people, power lines, you name it. Instead of halting, drones now plot smooth, intelligent paths around obstacles in real time. Imagine filming through a dense forest. AI drones can autonomously weave through trees, keeping the subject in frame. This unlocks autonomous flight in warehouses, under bridges, or city streets. No human intervention needed. The AI builds a 3D map, constantly updating to react to changes instantly. Specialized AI chips now process all this data on board, with no cloud lag. The result: drones that navigate complex spaces with the fluidity of a skilled pilot. This is the leap from reactive to proactive flight. Drones can now handle dynamic, cluttered environments safely and efficiently. It's a game changer for everything from filmmaking to industrial inspection. The tech is here, and it's only getting smarter. Autonomous navigation is no longer a dream, it's the new standard. Expect drones to handle the unexpected every time. The future of flight is intelligent, adaptive, and seamless. AI is making drones truly autonomous. All this intelligence is useless if drones can't stay in the air. Battery life has always been the bottleneck, but that's changing fast. Solid-state batteries are coming, packing more energy into lighter packages. Think 90 minutes or more of flight on a single charge. That means search and rescue drones cover more ground and filmmakers don't miss the perfect shot. Hybrid power systems and solar panels are pushing endurance even further. Imagine solar drones flying all day, landing only at night, or using hybrid generators to stay airborne for days. High-altitude platform stations, drones acting as low-orbit satellites, are already being tested, staying aloft for weeks. These advances make drones practical for persistent surveillance, mapping, and communications. The battery barrier is finally breaking. Longer flights mean fewer interruptions, more data, and bigger missions. Drones are becoming reliable, all-day tools. The next generation will fly farther, longer, and smarter. The age of ultra-long endurance drones is here. Get ready for drones that just don't quit. Next, let's talk about 5G. This is the backbone of the next drone revolution. Traditional radio links limit range and bandwidth. 5G changes everything with ultra-low latency and massive data capacity. Pilots can now control drones from thousands of miles away, with real-time HD video and sensor feeds. Drones stream multiple video feeds, LiDAR, and thermal data instantly to the cloud for analysis. Emergency services can get 3D maps of accident scenes before arriving, and farms can analyze crop health in real time. 5G supports massive connectivity, hundreds of drones in the same airspace, all communicating seamlessly. Swarm operations become practical, with reliable interference-free connections. Drones become fully connected IoT devices, untethered from the pilot's location. The only limit is the reach of the cellular network, which is rapidly expanding worldwide. 5G enables true beyond visual line-of-sight operations at scale. This is the infrastructure for autonomous, remote, and collaborative drone missions. Data flows instantly, decisions happen in real time. The future of drone operations is global, connected, and limitless. 5G is the key to unlocking the full potential of smart drones. The sky is no longer the limit. Drones are no longer just flying cameras. They're becoming heavy-lift platforms. Modular designs let you swap payloads, cameras, LiDAR, seed dispensers, or medical supplies. Integration is deep. Payloads talk directly to flight controllers for smarter missions. Heavy-lift drones can now carry 50, 100, even 500 pounds. Think unmanned helicopters or massive multi-rotors. They can airlift equipment to remote sites, deliver emergency supplies, or carry defibrillators to patients faster than ambulances. In industry, drones transport heavy parts to wind turbines or drop fire retardant on wildfires. Smart flight controllers adjust for weight and balance, ensuring safe, stable flight. This is a leap for logistics, construction, and emergency response. One drone, many missions. Just swap the payload. The combination of power and intelligence is transforming what drones can do. Expect to see drones handling jobs that once needed helicopters or cranes. The era of the heavy-lift, multi-mission drone is here. Let's face it, drones have always been noisy, and that's held them back. Now, engineers are making silence a priority. New propeller designs inspired by owl wings break up air vortices and cut high-pitched noise. Flexible composite materials absorb vibrations, shifting the sound to a less annoying, lower frequency. Redesigned motors and anechoic shrouds further dampen noise, making drones less intrusive. Quieter drones mean urban deliveries are more acceptable, wildlife isn't disturbed, and surveillance is stealthier. This is crucial for public acceptance in urban operations. Expect these innovations to become standard on both industrial and consumer drones. The difference is immediate. Drones blend into city noise instead of standing out. It's a small change, with a huge impact on daily life. Quieter drones open the door to widespread adoption. The future of drones is not just smart, it's silent. Get ready for a world where drones are seen, not heard. Silence is the new superpower. Drones are now frontline tools in the fight for our planet. They monitor forests, track ice melt, and measure air quality with unmatched detail and reach. In oceans, drones track pollution and coral health, even collect water samples. Swarms plant trees at scale, restoring ecosystems faster than ever. Drones access remote terrain, planting diverse species for real biodiversity. In green energy, drones inspect solar farms and wind turbines, spotting issues early and boosting efficiency. This makes renewable energy more reliable and cost-effective. Drones are active participants in conservation, not just observers. The data they provide drives smarter environmental decisions. It's about using tech to heal, not just monitor, the planet. Drones are helping build a sustainable future. There you have it, 7 breakthroughs redefining drones for 2025 and beyond. From swarms and AI to silent flight and green missions, drones are evolving into intelligent partners. The possibilities are staggering, and we're just getting started. Which breakthrough excites you most? Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives into the future of tech. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.